point is, if you're riding, please continue to check the screws, the bolts, the nuts, all the necessary areas like the axle nuts or the handlebars, and always inspect your bike at least on a monthly basis if you're riding regularly, if not weekly. If you take off the handlebars, make sure that they're aligned, like make sure the wheel is straight and you put this handlebar straight. Hello everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again. Over a weekend right now. Sometimes keeping up the cars and motorcycles or any type of automobile or a machine requires your attention to keep it running properly. And sometimes the issues occur out of nowhere.